Now let's see how to attempt Sirshasana step by step.
Step 1. Sit in Vajrasana. Hold the elbows and place it on the mat. Interlock the fingers. Place it firmly on the mat. Make sure the elbows are shoulder width apart. Step 2. Place the crown on the mat and palms right behind the head for proper support. Make sure the neck is straight. Now step 3. Inhale and lift your knees off the ground. Slowly walk your feet closer to the elbows. Make sure your back is straight. Step 4. Raise the right leg, take it close to the chest and release. Now repeat the same with left leg. Repeat this for a couple of times. Very good. Step 5. Fold the right leg and push the left foot slightly away from the mat. While doing this, you have to shift the body weight on the hands. Repeat this with both the legs for a couple of times. Step 6. Raise one leg after the other using your core strength and try to balance there. Make sure 80% of your weight is on the forearm, not on the crown. Slowly get back your feet one by one on the mat. Repeat step 6 for a couple of days until you get confidence. Step 7. Now again raise the legs one after other and try to straighten the legs using the arm strength. Step 8. Here in this pose, make sure the body is in one straight line. If you are losing balance, try to press the forearm firmly on the mat. If you are a beginner, try this asana near the wall. In case you lose balance, you can take support. Step 9. While coming back down, slowly bend the knees, bring it close to the chest and place it gently on the mat. Drop the knees and rest in child pose. Never get up immediately after attempting this pose. Always make sure you are resting in child pose.
If you practice Sirshasana regularly, eventually it will become as natural as standing on your feet. As always, proceed with sensitivity to your body, recognizing your strengths and weaknesses. Good luck and have fun practicing Sirshasana.